Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make beef and rice tacos. These tacos are packed with flavor, so delicious and very easy to make. Let's get started. We're going to start by heating up some olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then add some diced onion. We're also going to add chopped bell pepper. Cook the onion and pepper for 3 to 5 minutes or until they've cooked down and developed flavor. Next, we're going to add in some ground beef. Use the spatula to break apart the ground beef. Then we're going to season with some spices. We're adding paprika, Italian seasoning, chili powder, chipotle powder, salt, and black pepper. We're also adding some Cajun seasoning and freshly minced garlic. Go ahead and mix everything together and cook the meat until it's no longer pink. Once the meat has cooked, we're going to add in some crushed tomato sauce. We're also adding some canned black beans that is washed and drained, some corn. Mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to allow this to simmer gently for 15 minutes. That way all the ingredients can come together. Make sure you put the lid on. After this has simmered gently, we're going to add in some cooked white rice. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once mixed in, we're going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. Mix in the cheese and let it cook and melt into the rice and meat. Once everything is mixed together, we're going to fill up some taco shells. If you don't want to use taco shells, you can use flour tortillas. Once all the shells are very well filled, you can start adding your favorite toppings. The rice tacos go really well with some salsa, so I'm going to add some as a topping. I also love lettuce on my tacos. I'm also topping with some cut up avocado. Then I'm going to drizzle my favorite cheese sauce all over the tacos. You could also add some sour cream and top it with some extra cheese. These tacos came out very delicious. The beef and rice filling is packed with all the right flavors. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.